Down at the G-pit, end of May, summer vibes. Approximately 22-23 degrees Celsius. Ooh. With the Traxxas xmaxx number 3. Dust anyone? God damn. See how it looks. I haven't been here actually for a while. Well, yeah, we could do some jumping here, that's for sure. That's the highest point. Jumped from there with a ramp, so stay tuned. You know what I say. Never was a coward. It's a pretty solid flight. That was a nasty hit. But it took it. It seems like that. No puddle turtle time here. Well, no issue. Third and final jump. Is, am I gonna be able to yep. No, something looks a little bit sad, or maybe it's just some visual. Nah, it's just the ride height is pretty low in the front. Well, I think I'm pretty pleased with this session. If you can see that, I have missed to tighten this screw. ESC is warm. The motor, I'd say it's like 70 degrees maybe, I don't know. I'm gonna shut this off. Yeah, still good amount to play. thin coated M2C Racing O-ring pistons. I've got some leakage here. It's a 56 118 1600 kV. I think I'm running 34 or 34 I think. M3's motor mount discontinued and they have shut down. Max5 G2 plus HV something. Front upper brace mod, rear and front polar CVDs, out drives, wide kit. I got the Scorched on that side and the regular on that side. It's still the version 1, which they had some issues. They have sent me new steering knuckles. I have them at home, haven't changed, running them in the rear too. M2C Racing's twin center shaft, the first generation. So I'm super pleased with this car. This is a pure monster. I got the number 4 on the table. No cracks, no nothing in this one. Have no chassibrace. I have mentioned that before, that I'm I got my own, but they are still not yet done, and I have no idea when they are gonna be done. So yeah, okay, so we almost lost the pack here. It came loose. Wow. Well, that's it guys, thanks for watching.